When you get a PLR article, it's important to remember that it's been designed for reading, not for listening. The sentence structure, tone, and pacing are often completely wrong for a spoken format like YouTube. People on YouTube want a conversational style, a clear flow of ideas, and a script that sounds like it's being spoken directly to them. If you take a PLR article as it is and read it word for word, you'll lose your audience within the first minute. The goal is to transform that text into something that works as a YouTube script, and you can make the process much faster and easier by using AI to help with rewriting, reorganizing, and expanding the content so it works perfectly in a video format while still sounding like you. Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Number 1, read and understand the PLR article before making changes. Even if you plan to use AI for most of the work, you still need to know exactly what the article is about. Read it all the way through once, and take notes on the main points, the order they're presented in, and anything worth keeping as it is. This also lets you spot parts that feel outdated, repetitive, or irrelevant, so you can replace them with something better. Once you know what the original article is doing, you'll have a clearer idea of how to restructure it into something that works for video. If you're like me, I prefer to use the Read Aloud option in Microsoft Office. You can find that in the Review tab at the top of the Word document. This allows you to listen to the content to see if it flows well. Number 2, use AI to break the article into video-friendly sections. Viewers on YouTube stay more engaged when information is delivered in small, easy-to-follow segments. You can paste the PLR article into ChatGPT or a similar tool and ask it to divide the text into sections, each covering one specific point. These sections will become the main parts of your script. If the AI creates sections that are too short or too long, adjust them until they feel balanced for a video. This step will give your video a clear structure that's easy to follow from start to finish. Number 3, rewrite the text in a conversational style. PLR articles are usually written in a more formal or blog-friendly tone, which doesn't translate well when spoken aloud. Use AI to rewrite each section so it sounds like someone talking directly to the viewer. Ask the AI to use contractions like don't instead of do not and can't instead of cannot to make the language sound natural. After the AI rewrite, go through the script yourself and make small edits so it still sounds like your personality and not just a generic voice. Number 4, add your own experience and insights. Many PLR products are created for very specific niches, which makes them a strong starting point for your script, but they still don't have your personal perspective. After each main point, add a sentence or two with your own advice, examples, or results you've had in that niche. If you want more variety, you can use AI to suggest additional scenarios or talking points, and then tweak them so they match your style and the way you'd naturally explain things. This step is what transforms a well-targeted PLR into something that feels unique to you and your audience. Number 5, shorten or simplify complex sentences. Written articles can get away with long, complicated sentences, but those are hard to follow when spoken. Identify any sentences that feel too long and either split them into 2 or reword them to be easier to say out loud. You can paste those sections into AI and ask it to make the sentences shorter without losing meaning. This helps prevent you from stumbling when reading the script and keeps the audience from losing track of what you're saying. Number 6, expand where needed to add value. Many PLR articles keep their information short to appeal to a wide audience, but that often means leaving out important details. If you find a short tip that could be explained better, ask AI to expand it into a few extra sentences with more detail or examples. Then check that the added content makes sense and flows naturally. This step not only improves the quality of your video, but also makes it more likely that viewers will watch until the end because they're learning more than they expected. Number 7, reorder points to create a better hook. The way an article is structured might not be the best way to present the topic in a video. Sometimes you want to start with the most interesting or surprising point to grab attention, then follow with supporting information. You can paste your list of points into AI and ask it to suggest an order that builds interest and keeps people curious. Rearranging the content like this helps you keep your audience engaged longer. Number 8, adjust the pacing for a better listening experience. A good script varies in pacing so the audience doesn't feel like they're hearing the same rhythm the whole way through. Shorter sentences work well for quick tips, while longer sentences give you room to explain a more detailed point. If you're not sure how to balance the pacing, you can ask AI to rewrite a section with mixed sentence lengths for variety, then review it to make sure it still matches your style. Number 9, add engagement prompts. YouTube videos do better when viewers interact with them, so include a few short prompts that encourage likes, comments, or continued watching. This could be as simple as, let me know your thoughts in the comments, or stick around, because in a moment I'll share something that can save you a lot of time. If you're stuck for ideas, AI can suggest engagement lines that fit the flow of your script without sounding forced. Now, seeing we're on the topic, why not smash the like button right now so the YouTube algorithm knows you're enjoying this video? It really helps the video get more views. Number 10, strengthen your closing. The end of your script should give viewers a quick reminder of what they've learned and one clear suggestion for what to do next, such as trying the tips, watching another related video, or downloading a free resource you offer. Ask AI to generate a few short closing options, then choose the one that matches your tone. This keeps your ending strong and avoids the common mistake of ending too abruptly. Number 11, use AI for final polish. Once your script is structured, rewritten, and filled with your commentary, run it through AI one last time to check for awkward transitions, repeated phrases, or sentences that don't sound natural. You're not asking it to rewrite your voice, just to highlight areas that could be smoothed out. This is like a quick proofread before you start recording. Number 12, batch the process for efficiency. If you have multiple PLR articles ready, it's faster to edit them in batches. Read them all, break them into sections with AI, and rewrite them before going back to add your personal input. This saves time because you're doing similar tasks together rather than switching between different steps for each script. Number 13, combine multiple PLR articles when possible. Sometimes 2 or 3 different PLR articles cover similar points but from different angles. You can use AI to merge these into one complete script, removing duplicates and combining complementary ideas. This can create a more valuable and in-depth video that covers more ground and keeps viewers watching longer. Number 14, keep your scripts organized for future reuse. Once you've created a strong YouTube script from a PLR article, save both the original PLR version and your edited script in a clear folder system. Over time, you'll build a library of ready-to-use scripts that you can update, repurpose, or adapt for new videos without starting from scratch. This organization will save you hours in the future, especially if you want to create new videos in the same niche. Number 15, build a repeatable system. The fastest way to turn PLR articles into engaging YouTube scripts is to follow a process you can repeat. Read and understand the article, break it into sections, rewrite in a conversational tone with AI, add your personal input, expand details, reorder for better engagement, adjust pacing, add prompts, and polish the final script. The more you do this, the faster and more consistent you'll become, and the easier it will be to produce videos regularly without running out of ideas. I use a tool called TextBlaze. Here, I can have a prompt pre-written, and then all I have to do is type a / and then the word. This will write the prompt in a split second, and all you have to do is fill in the blanks that you have left available. Example, /prompt or /script. Don't use the space when writing it. Number 16, keep refining your AI prompts. How you ask AI to help makes a big difference in the results you get. Save the prompts that produce the best rewrites, expansions, and reordering so you can reuse them. Over time, you'll be able to get scripts that need less and less manual editing because ChatGPT will already be producing text in your preferred style. Because ChatGPT has a memory, I have refined my script so as to make sure ChatGPT doesn't use the "it's not X, it's Y" format, where it says things like, "it's not injustice, it's a travesty," that type of thing. I've also made it remember to not use metaphors. Number 17, always check for accuracy and freshness. PLR articles can be outdated or contain information that's no longer accurate. When you're rewriting with AI, also ask it to verify or update facts and examples. If something needs a current statistic or trend, get the most recent data before finalizing your script. This keeps your content relevant and trustworthy. Number 18, add small visual cues to your script for recording. While this doesn't change the writing itself, it makes your life easier when filming. You can insert short notes like pause or emphasize this point into the script so you remember how to deliver certain lines. If you want, AI can suggest where to place these cues based on the content and pacing of your video. Number 19, keep the viewer in mind at all times. Everything you add, cut, or rearrange in your script should be for the purpose of making it easier for the viewer to understand and stay engaged. The PLR article is just the starting point. The real work is turning it into something that feels like you're having a conversation with the person watching. AI is a tool to help you do that faster, but your audience is there for you, so keep your voice present in the final version. Turning a PLR article into an engaging YouTube script is a combination of structure, tone, personal input, and smart use of AI. The article gives you the base, AI speeds up the rewriting and organizing, and you provide the personality and expertise that make it worth watching. Once you've done this enough times, it becomes a fast, repeatable process that lets you turn out videos regularly without spending hours starting from scratch every time. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen you will see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.